In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Elementor auto updates. If you've ever found yourself suddenly dealing with changes in your WordPress site because of an automatic update, you know how important it is to take control over these updates. Whether you're mindful of maintaining compatibility with other plugins, or simply prefer to update plugins manually so you know exactly what's changing, it's a good idea to disable auto updating for Elementor. First things first, let's dive right into your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side and you will find a menu. In this menu, simply scroll down and hover over the section titled Plugins. You'll see a flyout menu appear. From this menu, go ahead and click on Installed Plugins. This will take you to a page listing all the plugins currently installed on your WordPress site. This step can sometimes take a moment, so be patient as your screen loads the list. Now, as you look through the list of installed plugins, you'll need to find Elementor. If you also have Elementor Pro installed, you'll want to locate that one too, as the process will be the same for both. If you have a lot of plugins activated, using the search function in the top right corner might be your best bet. You can just type Elementor to quickly navigate to it. Once you've located Elementor and Elementor Pro, if you have that installed, there's one more step you need to take. Right beside where it says Enable Auto Updates, you'll notice an option to disable auto updates. All you need to do is click on it. It's just that simple. You should immediately see text that confirms the auto updates have been disabled. This means you now have full control over when and how you want to run updates for these plugins in the future. By disabling these auto updates, you stop WordPress from automatically updating Elementor and Elementor Pro without your approval. This allows you to plan and test updates on your schedule, reducing the risk of unknown compatibility issues with other plugins, themes, or custom code you might be using on your site. It's a proactive way to manage your site with a bit more insight and foresight. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled auto updates for Elementor, giving you one less thing to worry about in the daily management of your WordPress site. Remember to check in regularly and update manually at a convenient time, especially when new features or crucial security patches are released. Thanks for following along, and be sure to tune in next time for more tips and tricks to make your WordPress experience even smoother.